Making funnel swirls. First, you want to load your sticks into the tray in each groove. Now what you want to do is load the sticks into the rack, place the rack over top, and press firmly down so that the sticks go into the little clips. Now what you want to do is load your rack into the oil, take your mix, make one pass down the stick, try to get as much batter on the stick as you can. Now you're going to make a swirl motion back up. Now you're going to move the rack out into the oil. Now it's time to pop the swirls out of the rack. So use your tongs and kind of push down on each swirl at the end to pop them out. As they float the oil, you want them to cook to a nice golden brown, not too dark. Then kind of turn them over so you can cook both sides evenly. Shake your excess oil off and go ahead and load them onto the plate. Now they will be a little hot when you pull them off, so you want to let them cool for just a few seconds so your customers don't get burned. Now you have 3 beautiful funnel cake swirls.